The Mesh panel is opened from the Mesh menu to create a mesh on the mid-surface. For this example, the mesh size is set to 2.5. The toggle is set to have elements created in the same component as the surfaces of the mid-surface. All displayed surfaces are selected using the Extended Entity Selection menu. The mesh is then created on the model. The Check Elements panel is opened from the Mesh menu to check the elements created during the auto mesh. The Length Less Than option is used to check for elements with a length that is less than 1 unit. The elements that have a length of less than 1 unit are highlighted on the model. For this example, those elements are unacceptable and need to be fixed. The Defeature panel will be used to remove some unnecessary features to help clean up the mesh. The Defeature panel is opened from the Geometry menu. For the first cleanup operation, holes with a diameter less than 3 will be located. All the surfaces are selected using the Extended Entity Selection menu. After selecting the surfaces, all surfaces are checked for holes with a diameter of less than 3 units. The holes that are found are selected and marked on the model. Entities can be removed from the selection by right-clicking on them if necessary. Once the correct entities are selected, the holes can be deleted. With the holes removed, now the surface fillets are removed using the Surf Fillets subpanel. The displayed surfaces are selected using the Extended Entity Selection menu. For this example, fillets with a minimum radius of 2 and a maximum radius of 15 need to be located. With the criteria set and the surfaces selected, the fillets can be found on the model. With the fillets found, the selected entities are removed from the model. The fillets are removed from the model and the mesh automatically updates. The final item to be removed from this model are the edge fillets using the Edge Fillets subpanel. The displayed surfaces are selected using the Extended Entity Selection menu. Edge fillets with a minimum radius of 1, a maximum radius of 200, and a minimum angle of 15 degrees are set as the criteria to search. Once the surfaces are selected and the criteria are set, the edge fillets can be located. The edge fillets meeting the criteria are marked and selected on the model. If a fillet needs to be retained, it can be removed from the selection by right-clicking on it to remove it. Once the correct entities are selected, the fillets are removed from the model. The mesh is updated as the entities are removed. Notice the improvement in the mesh from the initial mesh that was created.